Making homemade energy bars is a great way to ensure you have a nutritious and convenient snack on hand. Here's a simple recipe for no-bake energy bars that you can customize to suit your taste. Ingredients: 1 cup old-fashioned oats, half a cup nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, or your choice, 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1 cup nuts and seeds, example, chopped almonds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, half a cup dried fruits, example, raisins, cranberries, chopped dates, half a cup protein powder, optional, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, optional. Instructions: prepare a base. In a large mixing bowl, combine the oats, nut butter, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well until the mixture is thoroughly combined. Add nuts and seeds. Add the nuts, seeds, and protein powder to the mixture. This is where you can get creative and choose ingredients based on your preferences. Incorporate dried fruits. Mix in the dried fruits. Make sure to chop larger fruits into smaller pieces for even distribution. Adjust consistency. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a bit more nut butter or honey. If it's too wet, add more oats. Press into pan. Line a square or rectangular baking dish with parchment paper. Press the mixture firmly into the pan, ensuring it's evenly distributed and well compacted. Chill. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours to allow the bars to firm up. Cut into bars. Once the mixture has hardened, remove it from the fridge and lift it out using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board and cut it into bars of your desired size. Store. Individually wrap the bars or store them in an airtight container. Keep them refrigerated for a longer shelf life. Optional additions: dark chocolate chips or chunks, coconut flakes, cinnamon or other spices, flax seeds or hemp seeds. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences. These bars are not only tasty but also a good source of energy for a quick snack or on the go. Please like, share, and subscribe today.